Hey guys, and welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me, Letty! Today we're just going to be doing our base makeup so that you guys can see how I do my foundation, my contour, all of that. So of course I'm going to start off with primer. You always want to start off with primer. It just helps the foundation and everything stick to your skin better. So I'm just putting that on my hand, and then I'm going to rub it on my face. Once I've got that all rubbed onto my face, I'm just going to tap it a bit, make sure that it's nice and sticky for the foundation and concealer to stick to it. Alright, so now that I've got the primer on, I'm going to take some concealer, and because I am having that face breakout that I get once a month, I'm just going to conceal some of these breakouts that I have. Now that they're all concealed, I'm just going to tap at them to blend out the concealer a bit. I'm just tapping at the edges because I want the edges blended out. Alright, so now that I have my breakouts all concealed, I'm going to go ahead and put on some foundation. Now, because my skin is always changing color, I just use two different foundations and mix it in to make sure that I get the right face foundation color. So I'm just going to dab it in places. And then I'm going to start blending it out. Okay, so now that I have the foundation covered on, I'm going to take some liquid concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, kind of in a triangular mess. And I'm using a liquid concealer that's lighter than my skin. Then I'm going in, I'm gonna put a little dot on my nose. And right on my brow. And then I'm gonna take another sponge and I'm gonna start blending that out. So I'm blending my chin and my brow bone first because I kind of want this to dry a bit before I start blending it out. Okay, now when I'm going in to blend under my eye, I'm only going to tap at the edges. I'm just tapping at the edge here to blend that in more. Now I'm going to go in with a brush and take some powder bronzer, and I'm just going to sculpt out my cheeks, my forehead, and get rid of this extra chin that I have. So I'm just patting my brush into the powder, and then I'm just going to pat that right on my cheekbone. So I'm just patting it in, making sure I get lots of pigment. And then I'm going to start patting upwards. Then I'm going to pat it into the hairline. And just kind of blend it out here. And for my nose, I'm just going to swipe that all over my nose. So I'm starting with under my nose and then patting it up the bridge of my nose. My chin, I'm just going to follow my chin line. And then once I've got it patted in, I'm going to start blending it out. So now I'm going to take some translucent powder. And I'm going to tap that under my eyes with a nice floopy brush. Okay, and then I'm going to take some of that powder and just carve out underneath where I put the contour. And I'm squishing the brush and tapping that on my nose. Usually when I'm doing my eye makeup, I'll leave that on there because it catches any fall off. And then after my eye makeup, I just lightly brush it away. And we're taking another fluffy brush and some blush and patting that into sort of just above where I put the contour and up. Okay, and then we're just going to blend it out with circular motions. And I like to blend it up into my temple. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some blush and I'm gonna put that under my nose. I'm gonna take a flat brush and some white eyeliner. And I'm going to just put that on the tip of my nose here. Then I'm gonna take some light concealer, put that on the top of my thin brush. And I'm gonna use that to carve out the bridge. So I'm starting off with the wide angle and going down. And then I'm switching to more of the thin angle and just dragging that light concealer down. And then I'm just gonna start blending that out with my finger. And that is how I do the base of my face. I hope you guys like it. I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me so much. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media accounts. I have Instagram, TikTok, Twitch. I also have a fan house where I do post other short makeup tutorials. So don't forget to follow me there. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Love you. Bye.